So that's all the other stuff. Neck, gizzards, etc. Cooking with Ron. That's double I. Who cares? I mean, with that.
like chicken. Ugh.
Well, this stuff about to be good as hell. And then we'll
You
go
already dumped that?
some.
Oh, first one. Okay, it's not here.
Oh, where you get that from? Don't use that.
Well, I got it from right there on the side.
No, don't.
Okay.
No.
Okay, this deal. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to go out there.
So I said you use that.
That's peach wood chips. Hey, little kitty. Hey, there's a little family of cats back here.
I know.
Yeah, all 3 of them. Got my stray cats, little kitties. It goes up, quaddies. What are you out here working on? You fucking up. You fucking up. And so that will be the cooking part. Let it go. About an hour or so. Low and slow, and that's gonna be the duck, and change it up a little bit, check on it. What temperature we at? Hold on, here we go. Okay, so hey, cooking with Ron. Shit, let's go. Peace. Okay, so now we're about to check the temps. Let's see what's going on.
Yep.
One set. Them done. All them done, Butch.
Huh?
Them way past done. Don't take them off. All
Yeah,
them.
I'm gonna put
You
What you talking
ain't no
about?
get the pan. Huh?
I gonna put barbecue sauce.
Oh yeah, they done.
Yep.
The duck got a while to go. See, still bleeding and shit. The duck got a way to go. But like I said, it's on the cool side. You throw the sauce on there and now.
I might. I might chicken. Put a little face in. Then you really gotta go a while.
They ain't too far from being done though.
Nope.
They you can check them here. Cause you were already into the bone.
Yeah, but
Yeah, you want to go like 170, 180 on them.
yep.
Yeah, so they almost there.
I gotta just leave them. Like, see, that's a hot spot right there.
Yeah, move the duck over.
Yep.
Cause the duck could be then. By the time you get your sauce on there, the duck could be about ready. We got flame down there.
Yeah, I don't know. So we close it.
Well, yeah, here it is. All right. Make sure that flame go out.
Yep.
Try to suffocate it.
Yep.
Make sure that fucking.
You don't want that much, man.
Yeah, make sure that flame go out.
We're gonna go out. That's all.
What you back here doing, Butch? Faking like you know what you're doing.
Cutting up bird. Can't get no thighs from no girls, so I got a split thigh.
Dig my duck. Ooh, duck looking good, baby. You disrespecting that food by putting open pit on it.
Shit, whatever.
I hate that shit, man.
That shit good in mouth.
I don't like that shit. I ain't gonna hold you up. Even when I was a kid, I ain't like that shit. Mom used to always do
What?
that. Yeah. No, I don't like that fucking open pit, dude. I hate that shit. I mean, it's like that Southern got too much vinegar in it.
Uh-huh.
Like we in Detroit, Park's barbecue, like they sauce. I hate that shit, dude. Like, no, the food is good. Don't get it twisted, but I just hate that sauce. I mean, it ain't for everybody, you know?
do too. She hate open pit.
Yeah, that shit's fucking, man.
Back in the day, we got spoiled off of it and had too much of it.
Man, fuck that. Man, I was a kid. Mama used to get that. That's what made me start eating for years. People was like, why you don't like fucking barbecue sauce and stuff? 'Cause I was like, man, look, dude, I hate open pit. Not that I don't like sauce. It's like, I don't like that shit. Like, I can't even fake like I like it.
Yeah, you need that pork and shit out here.
Oh, no, here. Shut this down for a minute.
Yep.
And
You
then,
need that.
here. They'll be done, like, about another 5 minutes, let them go.
Yeah, let them cook some more.
Hold on.
Let them smoke some more.
Yeah, let's let them roll. It ain't gonna burn them.
Nope.
No, it ain't.
It ain't hot
Damn.
enough.
Yeah, it ain't hot enough to burn them. What's up, fatty? Put you on
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah,
What, the little cats?
Help you what?
I'll do it.
Take it off?
No, I need to take this in the house.
Oh, this?
Oh, look, why you gonna grab the goddamn
What you want me
food?
to grab? Oh, that's what I'm asking you.
All right.
I didn't know what you wanted.
So I made them.
You need- Yeah.
I made Impala to a kitty rescue. Put some water and food under there for the little random stray kitties that live in my car. Better than cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Double I. Damn. With the fried, they don't smell shit. That's the finished product of the duck. Got the orange duck sauce on there, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Internal temperature of 170 degrees, more than 10-15 minutes. So definitely got the orange duck sauce on there with the seasoning, and hey, gotta taste it to see what it tastes like. Look, I'm not cap. It looked good on video, but it might taste like shit. And then, I'll be honest, like if I wasted hours and money, I'm gonna tell you, like I fucked it up. And some of y'all might be in the comments like, yeah, buddy, you messed that up. It's not going in like that, so I don't know. But let's see. But it's juicy, like we cut all through there. Ooh, it's like your food porn, but whatever. It's there, so let's see what it tastes like.